Today we're taking a look at a replacement spacer block. This replaces the spacer block for Roadmaster Tow Bar quick disconnects. It works with the Roadmaster Tow Bar quick disconnect kit, part number RM-201. The Roadmaster Tow Bar quick disconnects, car side only, part number RM-222. And the Roadmaster Tow Bar quick disconnects, tow bar side only, part number RM-221. It's made from a durable steel construction with a nice powder coated finish. One of these is included with this part number, and the measurement we get on it, edge to edge, is 1 3/4 inches. Edge to edge this direction is 3 1/4 inches, and then the holes right here are separated on center by 1.5 inches. That's going to do it for today's look at the replacement spacer block for Roadmaster Tow Bar quick disconnects.